How to fix TikTok link not allowed. So if you have this problem where you cannot add links to your TikTok bio, then firstly you'll need to check if you have switched your account to a business account first, because if you not switched your account to a business account, you would be able to see an option to add in the link. But even if you have switched your account to a business account and you can still add in the link, you can try to update the app of TikTok to solve this problem. Head over to the Play Store and App Store and try to update the apps. Updating apps helps to remove any kinds of reason that may be causing the issue. The other thing that you can do is give permission of location on TikTok. Tap and hold the app of TikTok and head over to app info. Now from here you'll see an option of app permissions. You can tap on that and make sure that the location permission is set to allow. The last thing you can do is try to clear the cache. Tap on clear data and clear cache. Again clear the data. Now after you do these 3 steps, you should be able to add in TikTok links to your TikTok bio. So if you guys found this video to be helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.